channel. I drop with you. So guys, today is a very special day for my mom's friend, as today is her launching of her book named Till We Met Again, and that's seriously to be said that that's a good book, and in it has so many feelings in it: happiness, joy, and sadness also, and intense also. So you could also buy it in Amazon and Flipkart. I will give the link below. But due to pandemic, this pandemic, the launching is online. But if there wasn't any pandemic, the launching was on offline. So please buy that book, and it's must. As what to say about that book, it has many feelings. So please watch the video, and the full video, and buy it. So bye for now, and watch the video.
From Madras University and has been working as a passionate teacher for higher grades with over 7 years of experience. She has been associated with training children for play and extempores and has written various blogs in different spheres. This is her first attempt at publishing her story. She is grateful to her alma mater, Hilltop Schools, Jamshedpur, for giving her some extraordinary teachers who have always been her inspiration towards success. Thank you, Vijaya, for choosing Story Mirror. We would like to know, how are you feeling today? Hello.
Firstly, good evening all.
Good evening.
My heartfelt gratitude to Divya ji, the entire team of Story Mirror, who has actually made my day, made my dream come true. I really owe you a lot, Divya ji, and the entire team of Story Mirrors. And I would say it's a very big day. I absolutely no words. I'm running out of words actually. But yeah, it's a love story, but I wouldn't say it's a different kind of a story. It's about two parallels and their colliding destinies, their paths so chosen. It's a very different kind of a read, a light romantic read. So I would like all of you to just take your copies and share your thoughts about it. Thank you Story Mirrors.
Thank you, Ms. Vijaya Lakshmi, for sharing your wonderful thoughts. Thank you so much. It was then when the skies were flamboyantly colorful as the color palette, magically transforming to be even more colorful and even more vibrant. There, where the air mixed with the earthy scents. There, where could be felt the mystical aspects of music, the music of the birds, the music of the leaves, and the music of the waters. About the love in every heart, about the journey forever young, and a story mystically woven, forever to be cherished. The story that journeys through different phases of life, the inherited family values, the paths so chosen, the colliding destinies, and the love lost spun tenderly in collision to the relationships. Today, we have Divya Mirchandani, our editor-in-chief, with us to launch the book. Divya ji, I request you to congratulate Vijaya on her auspicious day.
Hello everyone, can you all hear me?
Yes, we can hear you, and we can know that now Nikesh Mirchandan has become Divya Mirchandan.
So yeah, I logged in with his account, so please excuse me for that. Nikesh happens to be my husband, so this is just FYI. So, okay, so first of all, heartiest congratulations to all the writers, Vijaya, Shruti, and Dipali Gadgil. To start, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, good evening to all of you. It gives me immense pleasure to announce that today we at Story Mirror have launched yet another talented, debutant author Vijaya Lakshmi along with the other two. Right? First of all, congratulations for being able to give life to your imaginations, Vijaya. Someone has very beautifully said, Vijaya, as a writer, you try to listen to what others aren't saying and write about their silence. So you guys are those people who have been able to pen down the silence of what others have been wanting to say. Right? Still We Meet Again by Vijaya Lakshmi is a book of you and me. The book handles various situations of our day-to-day life in which we are able to see our own reflections. Vijaya has spun delicate emotions and relationships intricately. As you will turn the pages, your heart will experience a roller coaster ride. While these moments are precarious at various points, there are also moments of, say, certainty, charm. There's enormous peace, there is assurance. So Vijaya has used exquisite charm of words to describe various situations. I particularly liked how descriptive and picturesque her narration is. So when she describes about a situation, you can literally feel the droplets, the sound of rain, the sound that leaves wake, the sound that wind moves. So all that has been spun up very, very beautifully, Vijaya. So very, very well done for that. Ladies and gentlemen, let's encourage this debutant author by not only giving her a big round of applause, but also reading this heartwarming book of hers. We look forward to seeing Vijaya creating more books in future. I want to say a few words that particularly, I liked about what Vijaya wrote. In every heart there dwells a story, the one of its kind, unique, special, and nostalgically woven through various parts of childhood and the umpteen confrontations of the realities of life. Very, very beautiful, very beautifully written, Vijaya. Congratulations. In the end, I want to tell Vijaya, do not give up on writing. I wish you best of luck with this venture, and I look forward to seeing many more in future and staying associated with each other. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen. Have a great evening ahead. Thank you.
Thank you, Divya ji, for your wonderful words. Really, I feel great being tagged as an author now. Till now, it has been like a struggle for me, a dream which was not actually given a shape. But today I can see my book in front of me, the actual physical copy in my hand. It feels great, and definitely it's great feeling that you have taken my dream forward. And it's about whatever feelings expressed has come straight from my heart. Every word, every word, every feeling, the narrative, everything direct from my heart. And definitely writing is a passion, and I would like to share that I have left my job because of this. I took a break, in fact, where I started as teaching, and I took a break now just to follow my passion, to give this to bring this to a reality. And it really feels great to be tagged as an author today. And getting the book launched by Divya ji, oh my god, no words. Thank you so much.